Yeah, you see it, man. We got the wall of fame up, man. We about to keep growing this wall. We're going to fill this whole thing up, man. But what's good, YouTube, man? We got this Husky toolbox slash, for me, barber box. And I want to give you guys a quick review on it, man. This is a game changer for any barbers out there. This is a game changer and a must-have. If it's not this one, then, you know, they got a lot of options. This is all I need. This is perfect for me. But anyway, let me get to what we got going on right here, man. We got multiple pegs. How many ever pegs you want to hang up for your cordless clippers, for your regular clippers. It don't matter. You can hang them up. You can hang a mirror up. I just got my towel right here. Let me take that down. But yeah, we got this peg set up right here. Perfect cordless clippers. That's the generation. That's the move that we're going to right now in the barber industry. All right, we got a very, very big space right here to put our clippers on. Right here, man, I put all my guards. I can put my guards over here in this space. I got my Andy's premium guards right there. Wall premium guards. Pegs over there. Electric shaver. All my blades. My razor right there. This is the best thing about this doggone toolbox right here, though. Look at this, man. It has 4 power outlets connected. 4 power outlets connected to the box. Then it have 2 USB ports right there. Look at that. So I just got my little fan connected right there. If you got your phone, you can connect all you got to do is bring your USB and you can connect your phone right here, charge up your phone, listen to music, whatever you want to do. But we have 4 power surges right here, or power outlets. You just turn it on right there and you see the fan come on. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Turn that thing off. Anyway, so and the cord comes from within, and this is the outlet for it to come out of, and we just connect it. And you have this drawer. You know, you can lock your drawer. You can put your clippers up when you're not out here. I ain't organized anything. This is just spur of the moment. But yeah, you can put your clippers in there, lock everything up, plenty of space. You can use this if you want to just cut out the drawer like that. You can put your clippers in there. I don't see a need for that when you have this mat right here that is a good hold for it. But yeah, and the lock is right here. And let me show you guys. This is a lock for this also. It's just security, man. You know, it's real secure for any barber when he's not in the shop. And then you got all your storage right here. There's your cord that's going out of the box. And that's it, man. I think that this is just a smart investment. I actually got this on Father's Day, and I got a good deal on. I think I got it for $69 when the regular price of it is $129. So definitely next Father's Day, be on the lookout for these Huskies, man. They got the big boys for like $99. This one was $69. They got a lot of options, man. A lot of more storage. But I mean, if you need more storage, then you can get the bigger one. But I think this is perfect for what I do, what I need it for. And it's perfect. I mean, it makes everything easier. You know, with the pegs, you got the clippers hanging right there. Leave you a lot more room for like your Andy's T outliners that's gonna be plugged in. So yeah, man, I think you should definitely go get it. If you like this video, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. And it's your boy EB Cutting, and I'm out.